I am the Evo Nano, and I was born colorful. I have 4 color combinations. You can put me in your pocket. I'm easy to fold. As your smart miniature selfie drone, I can go wherever you go. I have a large f1.9 aperture and a 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor that lets me gather more light. With my 4K camera and HDR capabilities, you can clearly record the beauty of life. Use me to take selfies with one click. Panoramic, medium shot, or close shot. Switch it up however you like. At your command, I follow objects automatically, and my battery gives you the freedom to command the skies for nearly 30 minutes. Want to change angles? Just one click. South, east, north, west. Just tell me where you want me to go. At only 249 grams, I can be with you for every part of your journey. What else can I do? Automatic obstacle avoidance. To dodge objects in front, behind, or below. Quick autofocus to help you snap objects fast or slow. First time as a pilot? No need to worry. Just click one button and I'll do all the heavy lifting. Flick, fade away, orbit, rocket. Done shooting? Upload photos and videos wirelessly at 160 megabits per second. Then create beautiful videos with ready-made templates, so you can edit and share in seconds. With Autel Skylink video transmission, you can take pictures anytime, anywhere. I am the Evo Nano, your smart mini selfie drone.
A new member of the Mavic 3 series has arrived. Introducing Mavic 3 Classic. With a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, captures stunning imagery with vivid yet natural coloring in every frame. 5.1K video delivers professional-grade footage and super sampling for 4K 60 FPS. And a 46-minute max flight time gives you significantly more airtime to explore and capture it all. With DJI O3 Plus video transmission, experience ultra-smooth feeds and fly safe with omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 5.0. The newly added Night Shots mode lets you capture brilliant low-light video with reduced noise. And with cruise control, simply set the speed and direction to start moving, leaving you free to focus on your shots. Enjoy unlimited creative potential and explore your vivid world with DJI Mavic 3 Classic.
Is here, and it fits.
Here's how to set up the Parrot Mambo. Insert the battery or press the on-off button to turn on the Parrot Mambo. Now, download the Free Flight Mini application from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Activate the Bluetooth function in your smartphone or tablet and open the Free Flight Mini application. Free Flight automatically detects Parrot Mini drones situated around you. A list of drones will appear. Select your drone. Wait until the LEDs change to green. The Parrot Mambo is now ready. You are now connected to the Parrot Mambo. And your drone is now ready for takeoff.
Even the smallest moments are worth saving, so capture them right. Meet DJI Mini 3, a compact drone that can easily capture your adventures, big and small. Battery life shouldn't be a stressor. With an extended battery, so fly. DJI Mini 3.